Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking that Fisch shows the thread option in your account. Enable it if necessary. Next, pick a focused topic and add 1 to 3 tags so people discover it. Then set privacy, public, friends, or private, because visibility affects responses and moderation. Once done, draft your opening post with 1 clear question or statement. Keep it short and actionable. Make sure images or links are formatted for Fisch and that you save a draft if you need time. Now continue by writing the next few replies to steer the conversation. Use prompts that invite examples or opinions. Use mentions to bring people in and inline links for quick reference, since Fisch surfaces linked content differently. For longer explanations, break into short paragraphs and bullet lists to maintain engagement. Moderate proactively. Pin useful replies, mute disruptive users, and delete or report content that breaks rules. Once the discussion gains momentum, schedule follow-ups to sustain interest. Finish by summarizing the key takeaways and posting clear next steps or resources for readers. A final recap helps retention. Then mark the thread resolved or archive it when discussion ends so new readers see the outcome. If you encounter posting errors, first check privacy and notification settings, then clear app cache or reconnect your account. These fixes resolve most glitches. If problems persist, collect screenshots and contact Fisch support. Include timestamps and error text for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.